Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing an alien doll collab. The following channels, and I'm so glad and can't thank them enough for joining in. With Dory's Dolly's Bushel and Peck Nursery, The Dainty Seamstress, Kasuni Hori, Donna's Creative Adventure, Ayla Avor, Joni's Doll Photography, Irene Huff's Doll Space, Playful Dolls Adventure, and MTB 214. All of the links will be in the description. Please go by and see their videos today. I'm sure everyone has worked hard on their alien. My problem is I lost a week. I was going to use this doll, and blessed dear, I searched for a pair of boots. I thought I had these, and I looked up in my rainbow high clothes, and sure enough, and these are boots. I don't think these come with the doll. I think these were in the what are they called? The blind boxes for rainbow high shoes. Darren printed this adorable glow-in-the-dark moon surface stand and her little ray gun. Problem is, I ran out of time for her outfit. I know, shame on me. Luckily, I have backup singers. So these are alien dolls. This one I had done in the past as a 3-eye and headlights collab. I love her. She just stays in that. This was not her body. It became her body. And then we have Summertime Haruka in her little alien top. She wanted a weapon. And so I pulled out that sword. My stepson found this at a booth at a Ren fair and showed it to Darren for my dolls. God love him. And then we have my green girl who happened to be in this silver outfit that I had made when she came. Let me change her. I bought this adorable dress at Puddle, not this past year, but the year before. I love it. I bought it from a vendor there. And when I actually saw it, I contacted Ayla Avor. If you don't know, she is a huge Star Trek fan, and asked her if she wanted me to pick it up for her. She is a personal friend of mine. And luckily, she said no, that it wasn't the season that they kind of focus on, and she didn't have a Smart Doll. I was glad. I decided to get it myself. It was very reasonable, and now I'm glad I did. But tell me in the comments, is this an alien or just a worker out trekking the stars? Thank you for watching. Thank you, each channel that joined in today. Again, I will leave their links in the description. Please go see every video out there. They worked hard on their aliens and their videos. Thank you for watching. Wait, one more thing. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.